guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be my August Boxycharm unboxing. And I know I've been doing the Battle of the Beauty Boxes videos over the last few months, but I decided to do a try-on style with the Boxycharm because I have not done that in a while, and I wanted to try to avoid filming these kinds of videos very later in the month. So here we are with the August Boxycharm. If you guys would like to see what I received in my Boxycharm for August, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and also hit the notification bell so you guys are always notified whenever I upload a new video here on my channel. So if you guys would like to see what I received in this month's Boxycharm, then let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm sorry if I sound kind of like I'm rushing, because kinda I am, because it's already like almost 3 o'clock and my husband is gonna be home very shortly to take a nap and stuff. We're supposed to go, we are gonna go take the kids back to school shopping, so he wanted to squeeze in a little nap before we leave. So I figured I'll just take this opportunity to film this video for you guys because there are some products here that I really want to try out for you guys. I don't have anything on my face except my eyebrows because I know there are some skincare items in here that I wanted to try out for you guys. And yeah, this is just sort of like a get ready with me kind of thing. So if you guys are unaware of what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 monthly beauty subscription where you get about 4 to 5 full-size products that can range from beauty products to skincare items to beauty tools, all kind of things, and the value of the box is it's usually more or always more than the actual subscription itself. So as you can see, I didn't take a sneak peek of what's in the box, but I have seen sneak peeks in the Boxycharm Instagram. So this is what the box looks like this month, and this month's theme is called Totally Boxy. You guys can see that. So like I was saying, this is what the card looks like, and it always has the product listed in the back as well as the retail value and how to use each of these products. So I am gonna go ahead and grab this guy right here because this is the skincare item that I actually need to prep my face, and I'm sorry if this is a little bright in here. Okay, I went on ahead and lowered the ISO because it's a little bright, but this is what the first product is. So this one is, I'm gonna grab my card because the font in here is very light. This is from Wonder Beauty, and this is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. So I'm actually gonna use this as a primer today alongside with another primer that doesn't come with the box. So this retails for $42, very expensive. So it says that this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what the skin type is. This lightly powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. So the spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. So white on pink is kind of hard to read. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it out so we can use it. I'm actually gonna go first and put my hair back. Okay, so I zoomed you guys a little bit so you guys can see closer, and I also have my mirror on here. So this is what the product looks like right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze it out. Ooh, it's pink. You guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. So it is pink right there, and excuse my nails, I haven't done them in a while, but I'm probably gonna go and do it before we leave. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face, and like I said, I'm gonna use this as a primer. Ooh, it smells really good too. Alright, so okay, very interesting. Okay, so I really love the glow that it gives my skin. It's not giving me like a super oily glow, if that makes sense. Like, it's not making me look super oily, but it does give me a very healthy looking glow, which I like. I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do just my foundation and my concealer because we do have another product in here that's in the box that I want to use to pair with the foundation and the concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and concealer, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just got done applying my concealer and my foundation. Next thing I'm gonna go ahead is grab... Hey guys, I didn't realize that my camera decided to autofocus itself while I was filming, so you guys are gonna hear a couple of clicks and see me not in focus in the next few seconds. So sorry about that. This other product that will go hand in hand with the foundation and the concealer, and this is this one right here. Okay, so this is the MIKASA Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh powder. So I've actually heard about this when it first came out, and I was very intrigued when I heard about it. So I know there are 2 shades of this product, so hopefully I got the right shade. It doesn't tell me what shade I got. Okay, so this one retails for $39. It said this is a weightless powder that sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I've heard a lot of great things about this. Like I said, I was very intrigued when I first heard about it because I really wanted to see how it feels. Okay, so I got the shade. There's no shade, but hopefully this is the shade that is translucent. This is what the product looks like right there, and I'm actually gonna use this brush from Luxie. This is the Luxie 660. This is actually a foundation brush. No, this is a precision brush. So I'm gonna use this to set my face, my under eyes, as well as the rest of my face. Okay, so exciting. Oh, I like the way that the way the packaging is. I like that one. Alright, and it does have a protective seal on it. Let's just go ahead and try this out. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush onto the product. Top off the excess. Wow, you guys, it feels so good. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take this powder and set the rest of my face with this, and then I'll tell you guys what my thoughts are on the feel of this product. Alright, so I just set the rest of my face with this backup powder, and you guys, once you apply it onto your face, it feels wet, like the brush. Once you put the brush on your face, it feels very wet, like not soaking wet, but wet. But the brush is dry, so it's like a very interesting consistency and formula, but it set my makeup really beautifully, and it's not, my face doesn't feel wet or anything like that. It feels like what it should feel, or how it should feel after I apply any face powder or anything like that. So it's a very interesting and intriguing formula. So I really love this. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face and all that, and then we're gonna go move on to the next item. Okay, so the next item in the box are these guys right here, and these are actually from the company Beauty. We've received products from Beauty in the past before in our Boxycharm. So these are the Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo, and these both retail for $25. They pretty much look like the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadow, and I actually got 2 different shades. I was watching some Boxycharm unboxing of Captain Light and somebody else, and they both had different shades. So mine are different. Mine is actually like different colors. Okay, so I actually got the shade Cotton Candy and Iced Latte. They're very similar. The packaging are very similar to the ColourPop ones. If you guys are familiar with ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows, they are very similar in terms of how they are. Feel wise and consistency wise and formula wise, I don't know if they're the same, but they're very pretty. So I'm actually gonna go and utilize both of these. I'm actually gonna go and use both of these on, well, I'm gonna use this as my all over the lid, kind of like a one and done eyeshadow look. Use this all over my lid and then just buff that onto my crease area, and then I guess use this as a highlighter for my inner corners. So I'm gonna go zoom you guys in. Okay, so we are up close and personal. Alright, so I'm gonna go and actually, I did apply concealer as my eyeshadow base earlier, so I don't need to apply like any eyeshadow primer. But I'm gonna go ahead and actually use my fingertips to apply this. So like I said, excuse my nails. I have not done my nails in a while, so I'm gonna have to do that later, but excuse my nails. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lid, and again, like I said, I'm gonna go and buff that out. Now let me just go ahead and swatch it for you guys as well. So this is what it looks like. It looks really beautiful, and then I'm gonna swatch it in the back of my hand. Ooh, they are super pigmented. You guys see that? It is gorgeous. So I cannot wait to try this out on my lid. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shade right here. This is the shade Cotton Candy, and I'm gonna go and apply this all over my lid. Ooh, this is really pretty. Sometimes most of these these eyeshadows that look like this are so much better applying it using your fingertips. But these are really beautiful. I really love this. So I'm gonna go and buff this all over my lid. I'm just gonna use this brush right here, and I'm just gonna go and buff that. There's a little bit of eyeshadow in this brush, but it's more like I actually use this to just buff out the crease area with any eyeshadow, but I really love this. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a mirror, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. There's a lot of shimmers in this eyeshadow, but they're beautiful shimmers, and I haven't gotten any fall out yet, which is really great. It might look a little too fancy to wear when I'm just gonna go and take the kids out for back to school shopping. That's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward the next step. I'm gonna go and take this other shade right here called Ice Latte, and I'm gonna apply this all over, well, not all over, on my inner corners. Okay guys, so I just did my eye makeup look. I'm actually gonna go and do my mascara before I finish up the rest of the eyes. And the next product that I'm gonna use for my eyes is this one from Tide Cosmetics, I believe. Yeah, this is from Tide Cosmetics, and this is actually one of the new mascaras. And this is the Big Eagle mascara. I actually have been dying to try this out, and I haven't gotten a chance to. So this one retails for $23. I'm excited to try this out. Okay, ooh, I like the packaging. This is what the packaging looks like right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes first actually, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto my upper lashes first. Let me just show you guys what the wand looks like. Very similar to the Better Than Sex mascara as in the shape, so I'm excited to try this out. So I'm gonna fast forward this and apply this on my upper lashes. Hey guys, so I just got done finishing up the rest of the eye makeup look. I'm gonna go off camera, and then I'm gonna finish up, apply my bronzer, my blush, and my highlighter, and I'll come back and show you guys the last product, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on, or my first impressions on all of these products. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just got done finishing up the rest of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the last product that we received in this month's box, and this is from Steve Laurent, and this is a lip liner, and this retails for $15. This is what it looks like. I don't think I've ever received an item from Steve Laurent before. I think a couple of months ago we did receive a Steve Laurent item, but I didn't get that box, or I didn't get that variation. I tried this out. This is a wooden lip liner. I do have a love-hate relationship for a wooden lip liner because sometimes they're too rough on my lips, and sometimes they're creamy and apply really beautifully. So we will see how this one is. Okay, so by the way, I got the shade Chic, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It's a pretty color right there. You guys can see that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips and also fill my lips with this, and just apply like a lip gloss over. Okay, so this is what the lip liner looked like before I apply a lip gloss. I really like the formula. I think it's okay. It's not the best, but it's not scratchy or anything like that when you apply it to your lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of this look by applying this lip gloss from Kathleen Light. This is just the Moonchild lip gloss from Colourpop. Okay guys, so I went on ahead and calculated the total value for this month's box, and this month's box. Hey guys, it's me again. So I just realized that I gave you guys, or I'm gonna be giving you guys the wrong total because I totally forgot to calculate the Big Eagle mascara when I calculated the total value for this month's box. So apologies. Or at least my box is worth $121. and that's it. I was gonna say something cents, but it was $121 for this month. Not bad for all of these great products. I actually love every little thing in the box, especially these eyeshadows. These eyeshadows again reminds me of the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows. The formula is a little bit different. I think that the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows are a little bouncier than the ones over here, but pigmentation wise and the way that it applied, I think is really nice. There was a tiny bit of fallout when I started applying the cotton candy onto my other eyelid, but that was about it. It wasn't any big deal or anything like that. I really like how this quick eye makeup look turned out. Really love the mascara. I absolutely love the packaging of this, and the feel of the wand or the packaging is very different, very chic and very luxurious feeling, if that makes sense. But I always wanted to try this. I believe I talked about this in one of my new makeup releases video, and I wanted to try it out, so I'm glad that I received this in this month's box. Very excited for this one. And again, like I said, I absolutely love the Becca powder, the Hydra-Mist powder. I think the way that it felt as soon as you applied it onto your face, it's just something out of this world, something out of the ordinary, and I really loved how it feels. I liked that it felt wet when I applied it onto my face, but it just dried like in an instant. So it didn't leave my face looking wet or anything like that. Really loved it, and again, it set my makeup really beautifully. A+ on this one. And finally, the elixir. I really love this. I like how it made my makeup look underneath this one. But I like the way it applied, and I like the color I like the fact that it's pink, and it didn't make my face look oily or anything like that. I think it makes a really great primer. Absolutely love this product. The only thing that I will say that I'm not gonna say I don't like it and I don't love it, but kind of in between is this one. Like I said, it didn't feel scratchy or anything like that when I applied it to my lips. I'm just not really a big fan of wooden lip liners, but like it doesn't feel dry or anything like that. It's a good lip liner. Not my favorite, but really pretty. I like the color overall. But overall, my box this month was really nice. I really loved it, and I'm happy with all of the stuff that I received. Let me know down in the description box below if you guys received the same product that I received in your Boxycharm. Did you guys love the product that you received? Did you guys hate it? If you guys wish that you guys got something else, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.